The camera world is buzzing, and this time, it's not because of a new drone. DJI, the brand best known for dominating the skies with their industry-leading drones, has officially stepped into brand new territory, the mirrorless camera market. That's right, after years of perfecting aerial imaging, DJI is finally ready to go head-to-head with heavyweights like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Now, the question on everyone's mind is, can DJI actually compete in such a crowded, established space? Or is this move more of an experiment to test the waters? What makes this debut so exciting is DJI's proven expertise in 3 areas that matter deeply to creators: imaging, stabilization, and seamless ecosystem integration. With those strengths, their first mirrorless camera could shake things up in a big way. In this breakdown, we'll cover everything you need to know about DJI's rumored mirrorless camera, from its design and build to video features, sensor technology, autofocus, stabilization, and ecosystem compatibility. By the end, you'll know if this bold new step is worth your attention as a creator. DJI's rumored mirrorless camera looks to strike a balance between professional durability and travel-friendly convenience. With a magnesium alloy body, the camera is expected to remain both lightweight and sturdy, making it suitable for shoots on the go. A deep grip should offer comfort during long sessions, while a top LCD screen may allow quick access to essential settings. Weather sealing is also rumored, giving creators peace of mind for outdoor projects. DJI seems to be taking inspiration from its Ronin gimbals and Osmo cameras, blending sleek minimalism with pro-level ergonomics. Battery life is shaping up to be another strong point. Reports suggest the camera could handle extended 4K recording per charge, and with hot swappable batteries, creators could easily keep shooting without downtime. Fast USB-C charging may also be supported, reducing wait times between sessions. DJI is rumored to be developing a range of accessories to complement the system, including modular grips and defilter kits, external viewfinders, and battery extension packs. Naturally, full compatibility with Ronin gimbals and DJI's wireless systems is almost certain, reinforcing DJI's strategy of building complete ecosystem around its gear. When it comes to video, DJI rarely disappoints, and this camera is expected to be no exception. Leaks point to internal recording up to 6K at 60 frames per second, with 4K available at up to 120 frames per second. High-quality codecs, such as ProRes and 10-bit recording, may also come standard, giving filmmakers plenty of flexibility in post-production. Advanced tools like waveform monitoring, log profiles, and LUT support are rumored to be included out of the box. Perhaps the most exciting possibility is seamless wireless integration, real-time video transmission to tablets, monitors, or even drones. This could allow filmmakers to control and monitor footage in ways no other mirrorless camera currently offers. One of the biggest questions is which lens mount DJI will choose. Some rumors suggest proprietary mount, while others hint at adopting an existing system like the Leica L mount. Regardless, DJI is expected to launch with at least 2 native lenses, likely a versatile zoom and a wide-angle prime. Adapters may allow compatibility with Canon, Sony, or Leica glass, giving users flexibility with their existing setups. Combined with DJI's software and hardware ecosystem, this could position the camera as a true hybrid tool for modern creators. If DJI wants to compete with Sony and Canon, autofocus is critical, and rumors suggest they're taking it seriously. Expect a hybrid phase detection system with AI-powered subject tracking, including face, eye, and object recognition. Smooth focus transitions can make this camera particularly appealing to filmmakers. On stabilization, DJI's heritage shines. A 5-axis in-body image stabilization system is rumored, which, when paired with their gimbal technology, could produce some of the smoothest handheld footage on the market. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and speculation points toward a full-frame design, possibly developed with Hasselblad, a company DJI partially owns. If true, this collaboration could bring outstanding color science and dynamic range to the table, with over 14 stops of latitude for filmmakers. Resolutions up to 6K, or even 8K have been suggested, alongside low-noise performance and cinematic color profiles tailored for creative workflows. For hybrid shooters, This means both stunning stills and professional-grade video in one package, taken together. DJI's rumored mirrorless camera looks like more than just a first attempt. It has the potential to disrupt an industry dominated by long-standing players, offering something uniquely powerful. A mirrorless camera that's built from the ground up with creators in mind. While questions remain about lens compatibility and final specs, the leaks suggest DJI isn't just testing the waters, they're diving in with purpose. So, what does all this mean for creators? DJI's entry into the mirrorless market could be a turning point. With their history of innovation in drones, gimbals, and imaging systems, this new camera may combine the best of cinema-level performance with the flexibility of a hybrid mirrorless. And unlike traditional manufacturers, DJI has the advantage of building an entire ecosystem where everything from cameras to stabilizers to wireless monitoring works seamlessly together. Of course, until the official release, we won't know how well this camera performs in real-world scenarios. But the rumors and leaks point toward a product designed to challenge the status quo and meet the needs of today's hybrid shooters, vloggers, and filmmakers. Thanks for joining us here on Lens Loop. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest creative tools. Ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep